Good Thursday morning to our Caribbean guests as we start the day. Mostly quiet as we see Grandeur leaving Galveston. Baltimore, we're loading up with Enchantment with a fresh round of guests today for a brand new vacation starting later this afternoon. Southern Caribbean has some wind, and in the tropics, couple of updates. The system that the American model had picked out for next weekend and as we go through, or this weekend and heading into next week, seems to have backed off on that. And we expected that might happen, but I do want to show you a couple of features. What you're going to be looking at is east of Florida, that little bubble right there. It might be a tropical wave, could be even a depression or storm that forms off an old cold front, and that's around June 1st. So that's one thing I will be watching, as well as to the south. This one could be a little more problematic if it forms. Now you're looking south of Cuba, northwest of Jamaica. That low right there looks to form in the Southern Caribbean and start lifting northward. Both of these, I buy a lot more than what I did on this first storm, the American form, because that storm, it developed too quickly and too strong for middle of May. Not that it can't happen, but it just, other models weren't biting. It just wasn't making sense. This seems to make a little more sense, but we also need to see the other models jump on it. So at least for now, again, that's the first week of June, lots of time to watch it. Those are the tropical waves I'll be keeping an eye on. Even have a disturbance Friday night and Saturday morning on the west coast of Florida, but that looks to be mostly a rain event. So we are starting to see the activity changing as the summer comes on. But in the Caribbean today, Adventure, a few passing showers possible at about a 40% coverage. Allure and Explorer, we flipped Curaçao and Aruba for each of you today. But the wind stays with us for both of you. In Baltimore, that 82, that's correct. 97 is the temperature on Sunday. You need to get out of there. That's too hot. That's not allowed. 82, Freedom, Grandeur, and Harmony in St. Kitts. A little warmer in Coco Cay at 84 for you today. Symphony, I got some midday showers and close to 90 this afternoon. So quite toasty in Costa Maya as a heads up for your planning. I will have more on your forecast for Friday and the weekend coming up tomorrow morning.